Hi everyone, my name is John Savill and welcome to my course Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, Selecting and Implementing an Appropriate Deployment Pattern. I'm a Principal Technical Architect at the Dallas Microsoft Technology Center. There are many aspects to deploying software continuously in Azure as part of CI/CD. In this course, we're going to look at how we can utilize various deployment patterns to help provide a safe and controlled risk process for those deployments. By the end of this course, you'll know the common patterns and how to implement them in Azure using Azure DevOps. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about deployment patterns in Azure with the Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, selecting and implementing an appropriate deployment pattern at Pluralsight.